Next up is a special category that has been termed as Others by the jury, and it consists of all those outstanding SMEs that did not fit any of the pre-designated award categories. The winner of this category is a Nagpur-based company that is by ex-servicemen and for ex-servicemen. It is well known for its security solutions. Here's the story of ESMS India. Security is a constant global battle, and innovative security solutions that are driven by technology and human expertise are the need of the hour for a safer India. Today, India's technological prowess is fast catching up with the developed world, leading to some advanced security systems being developed indigenously. One player making waves and striding ahead in this field is ESMS, short for Ex-Servicemen's Multi-Purpose Service India, headquartered at Nagpur. It is the initiative of entrepreneur Nitin Deveshwar and has for the last 25 years been developing outstanding security solutions for India, making it a winner in the Others category at the Leaders of Tomorrow Awards 2013.
ESMS is a 25-year-old company. It was started by two ex-servicemen who wanted to do something for the welfare of their fellow ex-servicemen who were quitting the armed forces. This is way back in 1988. And one of the ways they felt they could help the ex-servicemen was by putting them as guards in various companies. So that's how ESMS had started, with a noble thought. Presently we have 4 business verticals. The first is guarding services, which also includes dog squads. We are into the surveillance business, where we are systems integrators of security equipment at client locations. The third vertical is cash in transit, where we are running cash vans for various banks. The fourth vertical is security consulting, where we are talking to clients on helping them identify their security loopholes and address those. We really don't call it security. Technically, we call it loss prevention.
Though ESMS operates in 4 distinct verticals, its pride lies in offerings like e-tech solutions and cash vans. The company offered these as first-time security options for high levels of automated security required by companies and financial institutions.
If you look at trends in US and Europe, with the increase in manpower costs, somewhere there is a realization of complementing certain aspects of the manpower part with technology. So we started a technology division where we are talking to clients and helping them offer and understand the requirement of having both manpower and technology.
One of the proudest moments for ESMS was when it set up the Institute of Security, Management and Research in May 2000 for training rural youth as security personnel. Candidates from the farthest corners of India are brought here and made adept in all forms of security with a core competence in industrial security. Through the tenure, these youth are put through rigorous training standards by the best-in-class trainers. The tough regime of drills, fire rescue operations, self-defense, academia and much more enables and empowers them to safeguard the India of tomorrow.
ESMS की जो ट्रेनिंग, सुरक्षा गार्ड की जो ट्रेनिंग होती है, ये 30 दिन की होती है। 30 दिन में उनको फिजिकली और माइंडली तो उनको पूरी तरह से हम टफ कर देते हैं।
ट्रेनिंग में सबसे ज़्यादा यही पसंद आया कि यहाँ पे हर एक चीज़ के बारे में एक्सपीरियंस दिया जाता, सभी के बारे में यहाँ पे ज्ञान प्रदान किया जाता कि अपने सादी रहनीमान में अपन अगर लाइफस्टाइल अगर जी रहे तो उनमें किस तरह से अपने लाइफस्टाइल को बदलना चाहिए या अपने लाइफ में किस प्रकार अपन खुद को स्वावलंबी बनाना चाहिए, यह सिखाया जाता है।
Along with impressive numbers, ESMS India also believes in achieving its social goals. Its CSR activities include looking after the welfare of the wives of its security workforce, organizing regular blood donation camps, and giving back to society in whatever little way that it can.
Okay, there are so many guards we have in local itself. We have around 500 to 600 guards. Why not we train these ladies and we give them everything, and they can be the best resource for us to give the uniforms to us. And rightly we did that, and today the entire uniforms of our India has been stitched by them.
Integrating human strength with the power of technology, the company has ambitious growth and expansion plans. With many feathers in its cap and an annual turnover of over 100 crore rupees, ESMS India is today paving the way forward for a safer nation as a leader of security solutions.